That's pretty Callie with her nose picker.
Oh, I watched my aunt pick my cousin's nose today, and he started to cry.
Oh!
Well, he's like 3.
So he wanted her to pick.
He's not 3.
Why are you putting it under your armpit now?
Clean it.
That's
Anybody else
Callie.
want it?
No.
It's a little thing that is a woodpecker.
See.
Yeah, watch it go down. And Callie's using it as a nose picker and armpit scratcher.
You can also use the back scratcher.
Yeah, Callie's special.
Who else did you invite? Did you invite Selena? Me. Good. Well, sort of good and sort of not. I sort of wanted to see her, but I sort of did not. Hey, look, it's going around.
We just invited Lily's family. Hi. Your family and
That's
Michael and
Eliza.
Cindy's family. Hi.
And evil Eliza. I can't believe you invited Eliza. You should have left her at home and invited me to stay the whole 1,000-year night.
Well, you should have spent the night tonight.
You were invited to.
No, the email said only if I can't make it back home, and my mom says I have to because we have a brunch. There's about 1,000 kids, including you, I think, Lily.
No.
Oh.
For what?
New Year's. I wish I could just skip.
No, I'm staying here tonight. Down goes the woodpecker.
He does not like you.
Yeah, I don't think he likes